Today I'm going to invent a breakfast dish. I'm calling it the Domichef Delight. So let's cook. So breakfast delight बनाने के लिए चाहिए अपने को प्याज लंबा कटा हुआ, कैप्सिकम लंबी कटी हुई, थोड़ा सा अनसॉल्टेड बटर, 2 कैन हाइंस बेक बीन्स के लिए, चीज़ मैं यहाँ पे गूडा चीज़ यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, आप कोई भी चीज़ यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एग्स 4 बड़े, स्लिट ग्रीन चिलीज, ये थोड़ा सा गार्लिक है, इसको हम बर्न करेंगे अच्छे से, रेड चिली फ्लेक्स, ब्लैक सॉल्ट, और ये सीजनिंग के लिए ब्लैक पेपर, बारबेक्यू सीजनिंग, पार्सले और बेसिल. So let's start the gas and pan on. So first of all we are going to put some butter. Okay, so just so that the butter doesn't burn, we want to add some extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit of it, maybe around 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to keep the gas to minimum. Give it a good spread. To this we'll add some garlic to give it that burnt smoky flavor. So just as the garlic starts to turn brown, we're going to add our onions. The objective here is that we need to cook them properly. So now the onions have started to look a bit translucent. To this we'll add our capsicum. Increase the flame to high and saute them well. So as you can see, जो हमारे प्याज हैं वो थोड़े से ब्राउन होने स्टार्ट हो गए हैं, ट्रांसलूसेंट से थोड़ा ऊपर हो गए हैं. सो इसमें हम डालेंगे रॉक सॉल्ट and a bit of chili flakes. Give them a nice stir. So now as you can see, हमारे जितने भी प्याज हैं एकदम अच्छे से गोल्डन ब्राउन हो चुके हैं. सो इसमें हम डालेंगे अपनी स्लिट चिलीज, give it a nice stir. See, now they're good golden brown. So to this we'll add our Heinz baked beans. So after adding the baked beans, we'll give it a good whisk. Increase the flame to high. See, it's become so colorful. Green, red. You can already smell the flavors. So we need to cook them properly because these are somewhat undercooked and they have a very sweet texture. So that's why we added so many chilies, so that in the end it gives a very aromatic, tasty fragrance. So now to this we will add our herbs, some basil, some parsley, the barbecue seasoning, and some peppercorn. We'll mix them properly. So now when we've achieved the consistency close to this, we'll turn the flame off, mix it well, and shift it to a microwave safe tray. So once the baked beans are evenly distributed throughout the surface, we'll crack our eggs and slowly and smoothly pour them without trying to not break the yolk. Here goes one. Two. That's okay. Even if you break a yolk, that's no problem. I'm sure the dish will be tasty as another yolk. Fine. On top of that, we'll sprinkle some cheese. Give it a nice spread. Now that this cheese is properly spread out, we'll place them in microwave. We'll select convention and around 200 degrees for, let's say, 10 minutes and start. So जब तक हमारे baked beans ready हो रहे हैं, हम क्या करेंगे, गैस ऑन, तवा ऑन और थोड़ी सी ब्रेड्स को ना सेक लेंगे. So as you can see, the breads have been toasted nicely. So and the baked beans are also done. Time to plate. So now it's done. Look at that, brown, yellow, all the colors, all the flavors nicely done. Look at that. So now that this is done, we'll just garnish it with a bit of coriander. This I have chopped, so we'll start with the plating. We'll keep a nicely toasted bread first. Take a ladle and scoop up the baked beans along with the egg. Look at that. And carefully, slowly place it on top. There you go. Put a little bit more. And finally, just grate some cheese on top. And some for the sides. Give a nice texture.